What's up everyone, this is Jesse. My homie hit me up because his Ford Escape shut down while driving and now it won't start. Let's see if I can get it running again. When I try starting it, we just hear this repetitive clicking noise. It sounds like the battery is dead. So I'm finna remove it and take it to my local auto parts store to get it charged for free. After a 6-pack Modelos, the battery is fully charged and tested good. The terminals are clean and tight. Now let's start the car. Alright, she starts and then shuts off. Well, there could be multiple reasons why the car shuts off, but I ran out of time. We'll figure this out in part 2.